Hi, this is Qasim. In this video, I will show you how you can fix this error, which is unable to insert download log entry in database. Alright, so this is the documentation that we are going to follow. There are two foreign constraints in the database table that is we are going to fix. Alright, so the first strain, which is correct one, it's above, and this is the second strain that is incorrect in that database table that we are going to fix. So we need to either delete this key, or we can make same selections to delete the key. Alright, so let me show you how. This is our PHP my admin database. You just select the database of your website, and this is the table that we are going to fix. Select the table, and right now table is empty. Just go to structure, and these are the columns of this table. Just go to this relation view. You will see here there are two keys. The first one is incorrect, the second one is correct. The first one, constraint key, that need to be deleted, or we can select the download permission table for both foreign key constraint drop down. When you select the same value on both foreign key constraints and save this, then one will be automatically deleted. So this is our correct one, the second one. Yes, we will make sure the correct one we select from both drop down and select the same keys and save it. And this will give the error because we have duplicate value for both constraint. So we just need to ignore this, and when we will refresh this page, you will see the one will be deleted automatically. So we will make sure we have the correct keys, and then we will go back to our page to check the error again. So let's refresh this, and you see the file is downloaded. So again we will place a new order, or we can go to my account, and there we will open our existing order, and there we can try by downloading a file from our order which was creating a problem before. So this order has download option for the file. We click on any of the file for downloading, and you see the file is downloading. That means the log entry is being saved in that table. So that's all for this video. I hope you understand this, and you can fix this now for your website. See you in the next video.